Hi everybody, this is Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville. And today I'm standing on this 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is a great family boat that's yacht certified, so you don't have a maximum number of passengers. Great for the family, there's tons of space, it's packed with features, and we're going to start with the power plant right here and work our way forward. This is a Mercury 300 horsepower V8 engine. It's got electronic shift and power steering, makes for an extremely nimble boat, very easy to handle, pleasure to drive. As you can see in the back, we've got this awesome sun pad to lounge out on. There's a ton of storage underneath. We've got cup holders, charging port for your phone, and even a remote stereo control so that when you're at the sandbar, you don't have to go all the way into the boat to go ahead and control your tunes. As you enter the boat, there's a freshwater shower to rinse off, stay nice and cool during the summertime. Great feature on this 270. Once we come into the cockpit area, you're going to see this expansive seating area, which is just absolutely enormous. This boat has an optional teak table, which is removable. It does fold over for easy access to the benches, but as you can see, this is an extremely roomy boat. The backrests at the helm move into a forward position so that we can be in the center of the boat, have a conversation, and everyone's facing each other. It's really a neat layout. Let's take a look at the helm. We'll move this seat back, and you can see that we've got an ergonomically designed helm with the throttle, steering wheel, stereo controls, and a 12-inch Simrad display, which has your GPS, your navigation, your sonar for your depth, as well as all your engine data electronically. Really high-tech boat, very simple to use. Here we have a large head compartment with freshwater sink, plenty of storage. It's nice and lit down there, has a porthole for natural light as well. And as we move forward, we've got this really awesome seating area. Seating is very deep in a Sea Ray. You feel like you're surrounded by the boat. It's got great armrests here for comfort. And for your convenience, we've got a windlass up there to anchor the boat nice and easily. You can control it from the helm. It's got a beautiful stainless steel anchor. It's nice and out of the way. It's a fantastic boat. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models or brands that we carry, please give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thanks for visiting with us and have a great day.